Hello everyone. Today I will be talking about one of the best games to ever come out in years. And it's called... Oh shit.
Ooh. All right. All right, guys. I got something spectacular. I don't know exactly what this is, but I'm excited. But I what the hell? All right, that was weird. So I don't remember buying this. I mean,
Please kind sir, I just want to talk about my favorite game.
okay. Well, I already. I guess I can do a review on it. No. I got a better idea. And it. And it involves a microwave. A microwave. I said micro. No, did I say micro? It involves a microwave.
Wait, no.
Yeah, so, let's heat this bad boy up. Alright, I'm back. And I got a plate. So let's make this shit. We'll look at this some other time. What's important is that we gotta make our pizza. So if you guys remember, I did a few, I think last year, I made my first ever I Try video where I tried those gummy pizzas. And, for a while, I was thinking about doing another one, the gummy, I did a gummy hot dog one with a thing. I don't remember who it was, but I think I don't remember much from it. I remember having it, but I don't remember with who or where. But whatever. That's not important. What is important is that I was gonna try another gummy Lunchable, but I was like, nah. I've been trying too many sweets, and I've been thinking about actually heating up these Lunchable pizzas, because I've never done it before. And, I totally didn't buy this or anything. It totally just appeared in my room. Whatever. So, this is actually a perfect opportunity to try it. Welcome back to Cooking with Joe. Whoa! That is some beautiful, beautiful pizza. All right. Anyways, I have the pizza now. It's all baked in the microwave for like 30 seconds. It's like all rubbery still, or soft. It should be crusty. That's how crust works. That's why it's called crust. Stupid Lunchables can't even be. Now, I don't think this is what they were meant for. Fuck it. hold on, man. I'm gonna give it another bite. Something about this. Again, it's like the gummy Lunchable pizza. I don't know. Well, no, it doesn't taste horrible. Like, but it's weird. I never had a pizza Lunchable pizza thing cooked. Yeah, so I like the sauce still tastes like it. If you ever had pizza Lunchable, you usually eat it cold or without. You don't cook it. But what's weird is that because like you know what the pepperoni and cheese tastes like without it being all cooked.
Hey, this is Joe, and I want to explain what the hell I was trying to say here because holy shit, I had no idea while filming I sounded this stupid. So, what I was trying to explain was how if you ever had a Lunchable pizza, you know how it tastes. The sauce is kind of sweet, the cheese is kind of bland, the pepperoni has a taste that I don't know how to describe, but it all of it tasted the same, all heated up. The cheese was just melty, but it still tasted the same. The sauce itself also tasted the same, but just really warm. And the pepperoni just felt like pepperoni. So, yeah, that's what I was trying to say. I think.
Hmm. Because there's this weird part of me that likes it. It's not bad. I'll be right back. I got a cat. I don't know where this thing came from.
Help me, he has trapped me in this prison for 3 years.
Anyways, yeah, I had to go clean my, hands, but also this disgusting beard. Yeah, so I'll give microwaved pizza Lunchable a 7.5 out of 10. It was good. It's not like I would if I ever it's been a while since I ever had this, but still it's nothing special. There's other stuff in here. Yeah, I'll give Michael. Yeah, Michael. Microwave pizza a 7.5 out of 10. I know I already said it, but whatever. Oh right, it's Kool-Aid. Yeah, that was okay. No, I would never try it again. The cheese was nice and melty. It was like eating a really bad frozen pizza, or if it's like eating a pizza that is like leftover pizza, and you reheat it in a microwave. That's what it feels like. That's what it feels like because of its rubberiness on the crust. But yeah, I don't know what the hell that was. But yeah, yeah, not bad. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys when I try whatever the heck this is.